How do you get more views on YouTube using Pictory AI? I'm going to show you one way how you can do this. Okay, so here we are in the Pictory main screen, and this is where we can actually select what type of project we want to work on. In this case, we're not going to look at these other ones here. We're going to look at script to video, because I'm just going to quickly create a YouTube short. That's one of the best ways to get views on YouTube is using shorts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a project. I'm going to call it test 2. I'm going to go ahead and just type in one letter because just to get it going, it needs just a character in there. It doesn't matter which template I select here because I'm not going to use text anyway. So I'm just going to select this one. This is just totally random. The key here for YouTube Shorts is I need the aspect ratio to be 9:16. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. Now if you forget to select 9:16, and I'm going to show you this here. Let's say I selected 16:9 and click continue. Don't worry, no problem. We'll be able to fix this once this gets done creating. We'll come here and then we'll click on format in this area here, and then now you can select 9:16 and you're all set. And you can see that we have the 9:16 format here. So let's go back up to storyboard. Since we got our 9:16 selected, we're going to get rid of this H. We don't want any text in this video. And so we're going to go ahead and go to scene 1, and we're going to go ahead and click on elements. And so in this element here, we're going to go ahead and click on a GIF, and we're going to find one that is kind of interesting that people may want to look at. So we'll go ahead and select that. There we go. And then you can drag that around. You can also resize it. We're going to resize this. If you can see here, you can copy to all screens. And you can also duplicate. What we want to do is find the edges and drag this out here. So we're going to find the edge and drag it out. Let's see how far we can go. Right there. Okay. See if we can get some more of the edge. Drag it out even more. Let's see here. Okay. That's good. Now to make this even more interesting, we're going to put that there. And let's drag it out some more. That's good. That covers the whole screen now. Let's just move this up a little bit. Now we're going to grab one more. And let's see. This could be, let's say something like wow. Let's see if I like wow. And we're going to go ahead and drag this here in the middle, find the edge. And let's see. There we go. Let's find the edge again. Who said finding the edges of these things was easy? So let's increase the time on this here. So let's make this a 10-second. So now that scene's gonna last for 10 seconds. And we're gonna grab some music. Let's see what we can find here. We have Ocean Waves, which is, let's find something a little bit more on that side. Okay, let's see how this sounds. Let's listen to it. That's not bad. How about this one? A little good. I like that. Let's apply it. Okay, so that's applied. We got that. Let's increase this duration to 20 seconds so we get more of the music. All right, and let's preview it. Okay, I like that. And let's just generate a video. Okay, so there's only one scene, so it's basically taking all the stuff we added, the two memes, the music, kind of putting that together. This part does take a little bit of time, but you know what? It's well worth it, because as you can see now, we're pretty much done. So what we're going to do then is we're going to upload this to YouTube, and then once we upload it, we'll have our short going, and then the views will start coming. All right, so the thing is about shorts is that they're short. To actually have a YouTube short, it has to be 1 minute or less. And what people don't realize, YouTube has changed their thing as far as what it takes to get monetized, and then YouTube short views, as far as the number of times that it views, does come into play now. So before it was like 4,000 hours watched and 1,000 subscribers, but now it is you have 4,000 hours watched, that's one, or views, which is up there, but that's how you can use YouTube Shorts to also get monetized. So don't think that using YouTube Shorts is a waste of time. It's good for two things. It's good for getting a lot of views, and it's also good for getting subscribers to your channel. So if you want to leverage the power of shorts, make them short, no pun intended, and interesting, and then you should have fun with it too. If you don't have fun creating these videos and just putting them up there for people to enjoy, it's all about creating stuff so people can enjoy watching them, right? If you can't enjoy watching them, why would you think someone else would enjoy watching them? So take your time, create something that people like, and just spread the love, right? It's just the happiness in the world, just pour it in, and just be nice to people and just enjoy it. And so as this is generating, we're going to come in and I'm going to show you how to upload a YouTube short video, and it is a lot easier than most people think. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put in impossible stuff. Okay, so we have this. As you can see, it even tells you right here, for now, you can't change the thumbnail on your short, so that's a good thing. And then you can actually select as far as your playlist. We're not going to do that right now. And this is no, not made for kids. And then we go down, you can actually select what you want to put in here. I'm not going to put anything in. I'm just going to click next. There's no end screen and no subtitles. You can add a card. We're not going to. We click next. It checks for copyright issues. It found none. We click next again. We're going to publish this as public. Publish now. And then we're done. You can do your social shares right here if you want to. We're not. And then that's it. So that's how easy it is to publish YouTube Shorts. Okay, and get more views. All right, check out the next videos in the channel. We have plenty there for you to look at. Have a great day.